Welcome to 104 Lincoln Avenue Northwest in Sydney, a delightful historic home that blends classic charm with flexible living space, featuring abundant natural light and a thoughtfully designed layout that accommodates both everyday living and entertaining with ease. Step inside to the inviting living room, highlighted by a mix of hardwood, laminate, and linoleum flooring, creating a warm and versatile space perfect for relaxing or entertaining. From the living room, you enter the first main floor bedroom, a comfortable space with ample room for restful relaxation. Moving past the living room, you'll find the bright, open kitchen, featuring laminate countertops, an oven and range, refrigerator and microwave, and flowing seamlessly into the living areas, ideal for meal prep and family gatherings. Just off the kitchen, you'll find the second main floor bedroom, a spacious and versatile room with plenty of space for furniture and storage, ideal for a guest room, home office, or flexible living area to suit your needs. This bedroom comes complete with its own full bathroom, providing added privacy and convenience for everyday living. From the full bathroom in the second main floor bedroom, head upstairs to discover a versatile living area. You'll find a small, charming nook, ideal for reading, studying, or enjoying some quiet time. Continuing along the hallway, you'll enter the fourth room, followed by a convenient half bathroom, and then the fifth room, offering flexible space that can be used as a bedroom, office, or hobby area. This layout provides plenty of options to suit your lifestyle and needs. This property has a fenced backyard equipped with underground sprinklers, perfect for outdoor enjoyment. The home also features low-maintenance stucco siding, an asphalt shingle roof, and a detached two-car garage. The partially finished basement adds an additional bedroom and bathroom, offering versatile space for guests, hobbies, or extra room to spread out. This lovely historic home truly blends classic character with flexible living, providing everything you need for comfortable, everyday living. Schedule a viewing today to experience all it has to offer.